Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to our channel ALP Talks. This is your Lakshmipati. Today's innovation topic is automatic eco-friendly agri sprayer. So this was invented by this student Neha Bhatta. She is from Karnataka, high school 10th class student. So let's go into this story. So this is the whatever pictures you are watching here. So this is the setup she developed. So this is the battlenet generally how farmers will do there. So this is the setup with the chains and every structure. So one organization, there are some good organizations who are helping mainly the adults, I mean up to teenage students to get into this business. So these are some pictures of this story. So let's talk about it, what the invention is. Automatic eco-friendly agri sprayer. 15-year-old class 10 student Neha Bhatt, Puttur, Karnataka developed an automatic agri sprayer capable of reducing human intervention, helping better-net farmers save money. The machine consists of an Arduino-based level detector, pressure release valve, and overcharge protector. Mounted on a single wheel car, the automatic sprayer comprises a gearbox, DC motor, lithium ion batteries, suction and delivery hose, two gator pumps, junction box, connector, barrel, accelerator, and other components. When the pump exerts pressure, the suction hose sucks and pushes into the junction box containing three outlets. The pressure release valve enables the effortless diffusion of the Bordeaux mixture. It is capable of reducing human intervention as well as saves time and money. Great! Join with us to congratulate Neha and wish her all success. Yeah, this is about the invention. If you want to be part of these things, then please comment in comment section. So if you want to know more details about this topic, please keep watching this channel till the end. So to know more details about this invention, please watch till the end. This is a 15-year-old is helping better-net farmers save more through her automatic agri sprayer. So this is a photo of her after 3 years of conducting research, experimenting and interacting with many better-net farmers. Class 10 student Neha Bhatt developed an automatic agri sprayer capable of reducing human intervention, helping farmers to save money. Erica nut, more commonly known as betel nut or supadi, has a great deal of commercial value attached to it. Belonging to the family Ericaceae, the tropical nut is used by large sections of Indians either for direct consumption or during certain religious practices. Thousands of farmers in Kerala, Assam, and Karnataka have been immersed in cultivating the hardened woody fruit for years now. However, the occupation has not been a smooth sail for many. So, women farmers slicing the harvested betel nuts. So, this is the picture. Fahim Hussain, who leads the agronomy division at the Indo-based agri-tech startup Gramophone, sheds some light on this. He says, from non-availability of fungicides, lack of labor resources, to difficulty in containing the pest, the safari farmers in India are struggling to get a good yield year on year. Insects like mites, spindle bugs, and tender nut drop generally destroy the plants and lead to diseases like cholera. Hence, there is a growing need for better technological interventions to assist the farmers. So, he is Fahim Hussain, an agronomist working with Gramophone. 15-year-old Neha Bhatt from Puttur in the Dakshin Kannada district of Karnataka witnessed one such issue that the farmers were facing in the region. But unlike many of her age, Neha took it upon herself to find a solution for these ailing farmers. Since 2017, every monsoon, Neha used to observe Erica nuts farmers spraying a fungicide called bordomyxin composed of copper sulfate, lime, and water. The border mixture was being applied specifically to protect the crops from fungus and mildew. However, the farmers were diffusing the concoction using the traditional steel fabricated gator pumps, which required a lot of manual pressure. I found out that the entire process not only involved heavy labor costs but was also providing to be inefficient. Neha tells her story. After 3 years of conducting research, experimenting, and interacting with many farmers, Neha developed an automatic agri sprayer for them. The machine consists of an Arduino based level detection, pressure release valve, and overcharge protector, and is capable of reducing human intervention as well as saves time and money. So, a class 10 student of Vivekananda English Medium School, Neha bagged the third prize for her invention in the CSIR Innovation Award for School Children 2020. She received a cash prize of worth 30,000 rupees and a certificate from the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, an impactful invention. It all began 3 years back when a 12-year-old Neha first witnessed the strenuous effort put in by the areca nut farmers. For the next 2 years, she constantly juggled between academics and a whole lot of research and groundwork to build a better system for them. In June 2019, she got an opportunity to participate in Royal Dutch Shell's Global Education Program and Explorers. The initiative focuses on equipping young boys and girls between the ages of 14 and 19 to solve societal issues with the help of practical knowledge. This is the setup, guys, a part of Neha's automatic agri sprayer. Here you can see the machine and its chain and gearbox and all. An Explorer program was a turning point. It was a 3-day workshop for which I registered at my school. It taught me how to apply science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, simply STEM, in my daily life and specifically for problem solving. That was when I thought of using my learnings to build an automatic sprayer for supportive farmers, Neha explains. Here, this is the view of Neha attending the An Explorers program. She started by speaking to the local betel-nut farmers and distributed questionnaires drafted in their local languages to understand their pain points better. She also spoke to multiple agronomists and experts to validate her ideas. Through my interactions and surveys, I got to know that more than 97% of farmers were finding it hard to pay the high labor cost involved in using gator pumps. Besides the physical exertion that was involved in mixing the pesticide, moving the lever to produce pressure, and finally it was spraying, it was draining them out. See notes. An aerial view of the agri sprayer, you can see it here. After 6 months of trial studies at her school lab with various second-hand mechanical and electrical components, Neha developed an automatic agri sprayer using the Archimedes principle. A small force needed to exert a large pressure. Mounted on a single wheel cart, the automatic sprayer comprises a gearbox, DC motor, lithium-ion batteries, suction and delivery hose, 2 gator pumps, junction box, connector, barrel, accelerator, and other components. So this is the setup. The sprayer comprises many components. It's very simple, but still it needs an invention. To build the sprayer, Neha placed 2 gator pumps facing each other and connected their pistons to the larger wheel of the gearbox. Once this wheel starts rotating, it allows one piston to get pulled simultaneously, pushing the other piston. She attached a smaller wheel to a battery-powered DC motor via a chain that powers the whole setup. Once completely charged, the machine can be operated for 5 hours consecutively. The rest of the setup is such that when the pumps exert pressure, the suction hose sucks and pushes it to the junction box containing 3 outlets. Lastly, the pressure release valve enables the effortless diffusion of the Bordeaux mixture. Neha explains, transforming the lives of farmers. So, upon completion of the prototype, Neha approached around 15 Supari farmers and requested them to use the machine and provide feedback. 41-year-old Suresh, a betel-nut farmer residing in Puttur, used Neha's invention to spray the mixture on his crop. According to Suresh, he found the machine extremely convenient as well as cost effective. Earlier, I had to employ 3 laborers to spray the mixture, one to combine the constituents, one to move the lever and produce the pressure, and another one to spray it. But Neha's setup is automatic and noiseless. From hiring 15 laborers for 3 days for my 3-acre farm, I need only 5 of them for 2 days. I was able to save 30% of labor cost, he says. This is the example photo of agri sprayer she developed. Additionally, the sprayer also consists of an indicator made with Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, jumper wires and beeper that displays the level of remaining mixture in the barrel for farmers to plan their next refills. At present, Neha is looking to make the automatic sprayer commercially available in the market at an affordable cost. For this, she is receiving mentorship from Laghu Udyog Bharati, an All India organization for micro and small industries in India. Belonging to a family where her grandfather and ancestors were also involved in farming practices, Neha says, I want to ensure my intervention reaches every betel-nut farmers in the country. Professionally, I would like to become an Ayurvedic doctor since the concepts of ancient medicine, herbal treatments and natural healing sciences have always intrigued me. So this is the story, guys. This is the invention, a small invention, but it's still a great. It helped the farmer to reduce the manpower and simultaneously increase the cost. So join with us to congratulate Neha once again. So we need this kind of people for solving the societal problems. So whatever you are observing the world, just a little bit, provide a little bit concentration on that. Just observe it. Can't we minimize the effort there, so that think like that, so you also can do many more miracles. Only thing, you should have ability to think, ability to spend some time on it, ability to redefine your thinking again, so that you can do miracles. So for knowing many more stories like this, please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my future videos. If you have any comments or questions, guys, please comment in comment section. I'm ready to help you. Thank you, guys. We will meet in next video. Bye bye.